Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the carminatives. Carminatives are the drugs or the medicaments or the soothing agents which are used to treat the stomach pain, and these act or decrease the stomach pain by increasing the peristalsis movement as well as relieving the gas from the stomach. So here are some naturally occurring carminative drugs are available. This we normally use in our kitchen as a spices. First one is cardamom, black pepper, coriander, cinnamon, ginger, fennel, then nutmeg, clove and ajwan. Well, let's start one by one. Cardamom. So normally we call it as ilaichi, and in Kannada we call it as yalakki. The biological source for this drug is, it is a dried ripened fruits of Eleutheria cardamomum from the family Gingiberaceae. So its morphological characters, so it is available in the this form. It is fruit. Its color is somewhat pale buff or green color. Odor is aromatic. Then taste is strongly aromatic. Size it varies, that is 2 centimeter in length, and shape it is very smooth, longitudinally straighted and ovoid or oblong shape. Then what are the chemical constituents present in this is, so the chemical constituents present in this cardamom is, it mainly contains a volatile oil and some amount of terpenes, starch. Cardamom is used as carminative, and also it is used in to improve the flavor of the food. It is used as flavoring agent, and it is used in preparation of various food materials. Second drug is black pepper, which is also known as kali mir or curry meniso in Kannada. The biological source for it is, it consists of dried ripened fruits of Piper nigrum. Family belongs to a Piperaceae. The morphological characters, it is in black or greyish black color, and the shape is it is round in shape with some wrinkled surface on the top, and size is about 3 to 5 to 6 mm in diameter, and it is globular in shape, and it contains mainly an alkaloid known as piperine, that is about 5 to 9%, and some amount of volatile oil and pungent resins. It is used mainly as a spice in food preparation, and it is very well or good carminative. Then third drug is coriander, which is also known as dhania. So biological source is dried ripe fruits of Coriandrum sativum, family Umbelliferae. Then the morphological character, the fruits are yellowish in color, and odor is aromatic, taste spicy, size 2 to 4 mm in diameter, 4 to 8 mm in length, shape is globular with stipod on the top. You can see that stipod here. So this is the stipod on the top. Okay. Next, chemical constituents. It contains mainly 0.3 to 1% of volatile oil, fixed oils and proteins. Then uses, it is very good carminative with volatile oil present in it. It is also used as aromatic, carminative, stimulant and flavoring agent. Then the fourth drug is fennel fruit, which is also known as bade soap. The biological source, it is dried ripe fruits of Phoenicum vulgare. Family is Umbelliferae. Then morphological characters, usually it is available in green or yellowish brown color. Its taste is sweet, odor is aromatic, size 5 to 10 centimeter in 5 to 10 mm in length, and width varies. Then chemical constituents, it mainly contains a volatile oil known as phencone and anethol. It also contains some amount of proteins and starch. Uses, as all of you know, it is used as carminative. For that purpose only it is taken after the meals. and it removes the bad odor also, thus it is used as flavoring agent. Next drug is ginger. Commonly we call it as adrak. Okay. So biological source for adrak is, it is a dried rhizome of Gingiber officinale. Family belongs to Gingiberaceae. So this is the rhizome. Its color is externally it is buff colored. Odor is agreeable, aromatic. Taste pungent. Size is 5 to 15 centimeter in length. Shape, rhizomes are laterally compressed and short ovate. Then it contains resinous matter. Chemical constituents present in it is 1 to 2% of volatile oil and some resinous matter, that is 5 to 8%, and starch. Gingiberine is a main chemical constituent present in this ginger. Uses, it is a flavoring agent, used as a spice and aromatic, carminative, stimulant. Even it is used in the treatment of cough. Next drug is cinnamon, which is also known as dalchini. Then biological source, it consists of dried inner bark of shoots of Cinnamomum xylenicum. Family is Lauraceae. So it is a bark. Morphological characters, its outer surface is light brown and the inner surface is somewhat darker brown. Outer surface and inner surface varies, and it is present in the form of quill. It is present in the form of quill. Odor is aromatic. Size is 1 mm in length and 1 centimeter in diameter, and it is, the fracture is short. And chemical constituents of a cinnamon, it mainly contains about 0.5 to 1% of volatile oil, 1.2% of tannins. Then mainly it contains cinnamic aldehyde and eugenol. The uses, it is used in the food preparation, carminative, in the mouthwash also it is used, and flavoring agent, stimulant. Then the next drug is nutmeg. Usually call it as jaifal or jajikai. Biological source, it consists of dried kernel seeds of the Myristica, fragrance of the family Myristaceae. The morphological characters, externally these are greenish or brownish in color. Odor is strongly aromatic. Taste pungent and aromatic. Shape is oval type shape. So it is present in oval shape. Then chemical constituent, it also contains 5 to 15% of volatile oils and 30% of fat is present in that. And main chemical constituent present is elemicin and myristicin. Uses, it is used as a spice, carminative and aromatic stimulant. It is also used as flavoring agent. And the next drug is clove. Clove synonym is clove or long or lavang, what we can call it as. Biological source, it consists of dried flower buds. So these are the flower buds. Dried flower buds of Eugenia caryophyllus. Family is Myrtaceae. It contains chemical constituent, biological morphological characters. Color is crimson or dark brown. Odor is slightly aromatic. Taste pungent, spicy and somewhat numbed. And shape, it is, hypanthium is with, the shape is dome shape, and it is having some corolla. This is called as corolla region. The top region is called as corolla region, and the chemical constituent present in this is 15 to 20% of volatile oil, 10 to 13% of tannins, and main chemical constituent present in this is eugenol. Uses, it is used as mainly a dental analgesic, carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent and antiseptic. Its oil is used as antiseptic. Next is ajwan. The biological source. It is a dried ripened fruits of Trichospermum ami of the family Umbelliferae. Then the color is yellowish brown. Odor is agreeable, taste aromatic, warm, spicy, and shapes it occurs in the form of cremocarps. Okay, so these we can call as cremocarps. Then chemical constant, ajwan fruit mainly consists of 2 to 4% of volatile oil, 21% of fat, 17% of proteins and 25% of carbohydrates. Ajwan is used as antispasmodic, stimulant, carminative, and it is used also in the sore throat and bronchitis. So these are the 9 naturally occurring or crude drugs. What we have studied are carminatives, and these all the carminative drugs having volatile chemical constant is volatile oil. So and these are very good carminatives. So in daily use we can use these as a carminative